How's it going, everybody? We're at the McCloud spot. We're gonna walk the McCloud, I believe the Middle Falls, still in the Mount Shasta, Dunsmuir area. And we're gonna take a little hike to the waterfalls, take a look at the sights, the waterfall. Gonna enjoy this little hiking session right now. So let's do this. Go on. Monty, you like the snow or no? You ready to walk in the snow? Alright, this guy's... Monty's trying to avoid the snow.
Mount Shasta.
What's up, beautiful? So we made it to the falls. my phone was down. And yeah, as you can see here, it was about a 1.5 mile walk. Roads were closed due to the snow, as you noticed, but we're here. And yeah, enjoy the drone footage. This morning we are here in Mount Shasta yet again. This is the final spot that we're checking out as far as a food spot, that is. There's a spot here in Mount Shasta that we're going to check out for breakfast here at Seven Suns Coffee and Cafe.
Soup and salad, wraps, burritos, and nachos.
Hi, what's your most popular item here?
Oh, for breakfast or lunch?
Breakfast.
Probably our meat lover's really good, and our breakfast veggie wrap is a really popular one as well. Did you want to do the breakfast veggie wrap or the breakfast burrito? Because the veggie wrap has like a bunch of veggies, and then the breakfast burrito is like hash browns, egg, cheese, and avocado.
Hi, some muffins.
A muffin? Of course. And may I get you anything else with that this morning?
Yeah, I'll have a drip coffee.
Okay. What I think his name is?
I kind of enjoy the atmosphere right here inside of Seven Suns, and I like that saying too, coffee, anyone. So the vibe here is cool. I'm loving the feeling. Great hospitality, great service. Huh?
The picture and the picture.
Picture in the picture?
Yeah, see?
Oh yeah,
Pictures in one.
that's cool.
Salted caramel latte as well. Very
Speaking nonsense.
Yeah.
Maybe tired from the drive.
All right, here we go. So we are here at the Seven Suns Coffee and Cafe, and as I said, inside the restaurant, inside the cafe, it's really a wonderful, like, cool vibe, atmosphere, all around. Without further ado, let's get started. So what kind of muffin did you get?
A blueberry?
Blueberry muffin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Lots of big blueberries.
Blueberry muffin and bite. Yeah, I love the texture, the sweet, crunchy, crispy texture, but it's also moist too, the bread. It's not really dry. You have that blueberry, nice, lovely, soft, delicate texture, and crunchy too, but that is delicious. I picked up the drip coffee, and anytime you have a spot that has an option for drip coffee, I would order it. I'd get it, and I did. Take a sip now of that drip coffee. And sip. Oh yeah. Bold, roasty, bitter, straight, no sugar, cream. It's nice and black. You get the essence of that coffee bean. Oh yeah. Zucchini bread is the popular item, as I asked her, and she said, yeah, this is definitely one of those sellout items. Zucchini pound cake style bread. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that's just lovely. Yeah. Let's do this. And bite. Yeah, pound cake fashion, just moist, crumbly, and nutty. There's nuts in there too. And if you really think about it, you do taste that zucchini. Yeah, that's good too. It's perfect with the coffee.
What did you say?
Veggie burger.
Without further ado, kind of the main course. I asked her what's popular, either the breakfast burrito, the meat lovers burrito, or the veggie burrito. I've had a lot of meat as of recently, so I went ahead and just picked up the veggie burrito. It has the avocado, the cheese, spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, and bye. Oh, I think the first thing that really does stick out with this burrito is that avocado. For sure, the avocado, the egg. I believe there's potatoes in here too, and the cheese. Isn't like an overall balanced like veggie burrito, but the cheesiness, the creaminess, the potato, the starchiness, the egginess, the avocado, the tomato, everything about this burrito, fulfilling burrito. Like that burrito will fulfill you.
Did you bite again, Sophie?
Bye.
That's a nibble.
I like it.
The thing that most sticks out to me is
Wait,
the egg.
swallow.
Sticks out to me is the egg.
That wrap does play tremendously well with it. Just pour some salsa right there. And I'm actually gonna do that. And I'm gonna just do that because I know I'm gonna end up, if you watch a lot of my stuff, I end up like slurping the salsa anyway. So here we go. And bite. I got mostly egg in that bite. Let me take that midsection bite right now. Wow. I'm probably gonna say it. That's probably the best breakfast veggie burrito I've ever had. Hands down. I don't think I've ever had a really good veggie breakfast burrito. It's a must-try veggie burrito here in Mount Shasta. Boom. Okay, this came to a surprise, but I was kind of looking at the corner when I was in the restaurant getting water for Shauna, and then there was this thing that said Crick Eats. And I was like, is that really? Oh, it is. Speaking to I think the manager, she said these are really popular, and that they sell out when they have them. I've had chocolate covered grasshoppers, and I think I've had crickets back in Myanmar. I don't remember, but it's been a long time, that's for sure. And these are the Chipotle Lime Crickets. Evolution Ranch. Okay, so let me go and pop that open right now. You can see the inside with me. Okay, Chipotle, like that. Chirp, crickets. Get it? Chipotle lime. So Chipotle lime. Okay. Yeah, good.
Yeah, can you hold that one in your finger?
Yeah. Let's do this. All right. Crickets and bite. Yeah, you really get that crunchy texture, and then the flavor. It is that Chipotle lime flavor. That's what you're getting. So it's not so bad. Maybe at visual glance it's like, whoa, crickets. But then when you start chewing them, it's not that bad actually. Yeah, it's not that bad. Just Just real shabby at the back, okay.
Hey.
Right here. No. There. Should Shauna try
I'm
it?
not gonna try.
Should Shauna try it? She should try it, huh? Yeah, let's see.
Can I do like a one little antenna or a leg?
No,
I
do
can't
a
do the
quick-
body. No, I can't.
Just try it.
No, can you pick it up for me
It's
though?
like peanuts.
I can't. Okay, here I found a leg.
I found a,
That's a leg. That's a tall leg there.
okay, gotta eat it then. What? Cricket's here, Crick Eats here at the Seven Sons Coffee and Bakery. So we're on our way to Mossbrae Falls, which is an iconic spot here in Dunsmuir, and we gotta walk the tracks. Alright, so we made it to the iconic Mossbrae Falls. As I said, you take that railroad all the way down before you hit another bridge and make a right, and then it brings you into an area where the Mossbrae Falls sits. It is absolutely a beautiful sight to see. No regrets taking that walk. It wasn't too bad, but once you make it here, enjoy the sights, enjoy the sounds, the waterfall. Looks spectacular. And that's about it. Enjoy some of the drone footage as we conclude it here. This is the conclusion of this Mount Shasta Dunsmuir food tour. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.